Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an e-file properly. First, understand that e-filing streamlines your document submissions, making the process faster and more secure. You'll need a stable internet connection and a compatible device. We'll cover how to prepare your documents, navigate the e-filing portal, and confirm successful submission. This guide will help you avoid common errors and ensure your filings are processed smoothly and efficiently. Before you begin e-filing, thorough preparation is key. Start by collecting every required document, like Form 1099 or W-2s and any supporting statements. Next, convert these to the specified digital format, usually a PDF, ensuring they are clear and legible. Double-check all numerical entries, names, and addresses for absolute accuracy. This meticulous review will save you time and prevent potential delays or rejections in the filing process. Once your documents are ready, it's time to navigate the e-filing portal. Begin by logging in with your secure username and password. The system will guide you through each section, prompting you for specific information or document uploads. Carefully follow these instructions, ensuring you attach each prepared document to its correct category. Take your time to review each screen before proceeding to the next step, confirming everything is in order. After uploading everything, perform a comprehensive final review of your entire submission. Check for any missed fields or incorrect attachments. Once you're confident, click the Submit button. Immediately after, save or print your confirmation number. This is crucial proof of your filing. For more great tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals. Remember, attention to detail ensures a successful e-file experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.